Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil in your Hyundai Tucson. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of new oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your engine is slightly warm, as this helps the old oil drain more easily. Park your vehicle on a flat surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Next, carefully slide under your Tucson and locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it to catch all the old oil. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about a 3/4 turn with the wrench. Reinstall the drain plug securely. Finally, pour the recommended amount of new oil into your engine through the oil fill cap. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Add more oil if necessary until it reaches the full mark.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.